Yumba, obonekwe yumba, akamandibo
Yumba, obonekwe yumba,
akamandibo.
Yumba, obonekwe
Akamandibo
Yumba, obonekwe
akamandibo. 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 Yumba, yumba. Akamandibo. Akamandibo. Oh, akamandibo. Akamandibo.
was a chant, some kind of incantation. The incantation talks about places the Cubans came from. You probably heard him say Obuton. You heard him say Ekoi and stuff like that. They were taken from all these places to where they now are. But somehow they have preserved through ritual language this memory, this legacy, this history. So that if you listen carefully to their incantations, you will pick up quite a bit of history there, including the history of Ekpe itself. One of the things he said was, Anwana Kure Mendo. That is, that really is a fact. What he was saying is, Anwana Kure Mendo. And it relates to the history of Ekpe among the Efik. And they forgot their Ekpe from the food people after a fight. The story is that after the fight, there was a settlement, on account of which the food people were now able to say, Enwana Kure Mendo. So we got it on a peaceful note, but after the storm. So there's a lot of history in the incantations that they offer. And Dr. Miller here has been doing a great job trying to translate these things, relating the incantations and the chants to experiences that he has personally garnered in touring Ekpe places here in Nigeria, in Cameroon, and in Equatorial Guinea. There's Ekpe all through Cross River State. There's Ekpe in Abakuá. There's Ekpe in Cameroon. There's Ekpe in Equatorial Guinea. There's Ekpe in the Igbo areas. And what we have at the end of the day is an aggregate, a cocktail of influences and impulses from all these places. So that we don't have just one Ekpe. We don't have any Ekpe in a sectarian sense. Ekpe is the amalgam of all kinds of cultural influences. Ekpe points to our oneness and the fact that over the years we have become so intertwined, which we are now trying to point to and to celebrate. And we are exceedingly lucky and happy that our brothers and sisters in Cuba have sent representation to this year's festival. They are exceedingly happy to be here, going back to their roots as it were, and going there on an occasion that is provided by Ekpe, which is something they have preserved over the centuries. Perhaps in a lot more unadulterated form than we practice it here. Because at the point we used to call it Nyayaku, that is the original Ekpe form itself. The Ekpe we do now is highly modernized and changed. But in Cuba they have preserved it from pristine times and practicing the Ekpe we used to practice in the past. So at this festival, we're going to have the unity of the old and the new. We're also going to celebrate the unity, the essential unity of our various peoples. Because we're now one people, impossible to separate, and we must acknowledge that whatever culture we practice today has been contributory, that we have had impulses from the various ethnic formations have here. So I thought that I should quickly enter this explanation so that you will understand why we are so insistent upon this Calabar-Cuba re-encounter. And thank you very much.
I'd like to say, if I could,
Dr. Miller would like to say a word.
just to add one thing about what you've already said, the ending, Yumba Obonekwe Yumba. I understand the message to be through the consecration of the member, there's unity among us. Que hay unión por la consagración, Yumba Obonekwe Yumba. Because here you say Abanekpe, but they say Obonekwe in Cuba.
Hombre libre.
Hombre is a free man. Through the consecration, he's a free man.
Yeah, thank you very much for that.
Yumba, obonekwe yumba, akamandibo.
Yumba, obonekwe, yumba.
Akamandibo.